Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I mean, it's been a while, but today I'm driving a '03 Honda Accord Euro R.
For it to go to school or just
No, it just keep it open. I need to make a destination.
I don't see any.
Okay.
No, I don't see any.
Okay.
Not on the toll at least.
Alright.
Wait for me. Where are we?
Just press the, yeah, you can just press the recenter. Thank you. Yeah. The car is pretty fun. You feel it now, right? I didn't really get to experience it the first time. Yeah, car is pretty fun. And this is like 20 horsepower less than IV.
I like the racer seats though. I like the bucket seats.
Hugs you.
And I didn't realize I didn't remember that they were this comfortable.
Police reported ahead.
Wait.
At the stoplight, where they usually are.
To direct traffic?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, they are.
That's what I was saying, at the
It's the
stoplight,
morning
they
time,
usually
yeah.
are. I think the time when I take for run go, I just like go jump on the bike and I'm going like a bit too far. Call a radio and I'll be like, oh, white button.
I mean, the police station's right there. The ferry police station's right there.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying, just radio ahead and tell them to pull up.
We have Passenger Princess. One thing on our breakfast is stone face, not moving a muscle. Eyes front, soldier. Look at her hair, it's so pretty. Look at it, so pretty. I got a red light. I can admire her joy. Oh, goody. What? You're gonna fight me? You're admitting to domestic violence? Look at her! Oh. But anyway, look at that. Look at that hair. Inches. Inches. Oops. Push present. Yeah, this car is a joy to drive. We have a red light. In town. Alright, damn it. Huh? Yes. What? Oh. Damn.
Mash up your bees.
Really? Accident? Damn.
Kissing too. French kissing.
Kiss my all up.
The engines touching each other too.
Alright.
Next. Stop now. Stop now. Stop now.
You know,
Stop.
see the beast. Why you were like? That's all I see through the windshield.
I did the whole kind of stand-up thing where I went. I went, Toyota,
Stop! Toyota, stop! Roundabout, roundabout, roundabout.
Hampton College.
You're having fun. This car reaches 100 so quickly.
Yeah.
God damn. You realize how fast we're doing 160 on the toll?
Yep.
Like no time.
Yep. That's why I looked over and I was like, huh?
Like, you serious?
Don't really feel it though. But
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it at all.
maybe when you're switching the lanes, I can feel it. But when you're just. This is what I learned manually, or tried to. Saw like 50 million times. Roll off a hill, but you know.
Just rolling. There's like, you're not going to do something. You go. When you go stop?
Are we going to
Going-
die? Are we going to crash?
Go to the
What
people
are
in
we
the
gonna
yard
do?
and jump in the river, like. But you're not stop. You want to stop it?
Daddy looked at me and was like, at this point, there's like 3 accidents now. I was like,
Well,
nothing. Just laughing. Still laugh.
cause I was scoping out the school. I know I can't go there cause
Bad.
not so too bad.
Bad.
That's alright. you know about like when they has deep voice.
Yeah.
I went through a whole rabbit hole. After that voice, man. After that voice, she was just looking bad.
That's why I did it.
Medea, what? She was looking bad.
And I know you said, because your daddy
Dead. He's dead.
and he ain't coming back because he's dead.
My Angelou. My Angelou.
You caught it. You caught my reference.
Alright, it's good. Ladies and gentlemen, we bought food. In this economy, it's not cheap, but we need to eat. So, oh, there's some conveniently right. There's somebody right behind me. There's a little bly. Little bly. A bly, if you please. A bly, by the by. Come on, y'all. Be nice. Be nice. Oh, the window's still down. Ah, thank you very much. I like how this car's horn has a little bass to it. Sounds a little beep. Hop.
She does not sound like that.
What was the fun? Sorry. Did I toss it around?
No.
Oh.
Why would I be
VTech, y'all. Alright, so I did go to school, but didn't remember to record any of that. So just take my word for it, I went. Now we are actually on our way to actual actual filming location.
There you go.
For the review. Alright, yes. Articulate speaking. Yes.
Enunciate.
Enunciate. Yes. Indubitably. Yeah. Yeah. So that's where we're going right now. Currently on Barbican Road.
You're not going to tell them about what your original location?
Yeah, original location was a little quiet
compromised.
Residential street. We could just park up. A lot of like bushy walls, like ivy walls, tree cover, you know, nice and quaint and quiet and comfy and cozy. But when we scouted yesterday, it was empty. There's like 3 cars parked up in an exact spot we wanted to use, so that was a no-go. Lights green. They can't wait. Jeez, you see me rolling. The second light are green, beep beep, and we're going to another red light. No. And this is a major light too, so the car is, it's not like it's going to turn ready quick.
Take up your car and fly.
Damn, you're on a priority light. Jeez. I don't know what's going on with the radio. I don't know why it's still showing the grid lines for the reverse camera. I've left reverse a long time ago. Yeah, I don't. This new radio is throwing things all out of whack. Third radio this car has had, by the way. In the little space that just come home to. Oh, there's more raindrops.
I'm saying this is a hope it stays light.
Little rev match there.
Otherwise, this will just be a vlog and not the review.
You see me come? You see when they tell me to like just go when I'm at that stop sign?
Me say that?
Because yes.
I say that?
Yes, you.
I say that?
Yes, you. Yes, Rasta. Hi, and I. Yes. Yes. Because on a rare occasion, when somebody is not turning, I have to make sure that everybody is turning.
Excuse me. I check if the road is clear before I open my mouth. Let us clarify that.
The camera died. This is the vlog outro. Yeah, and I'm out of charge batteries. So yeah, this is us tuning out. Later, yes, my co-host is in. Bye.
Don't mind the missing nails.